everyone, in this video we are going to see the next type of your syllogism questions. Let's see the questions one by one. Some singer are dancers and the statement is singer and some singers are dancers. And second statement, some dancers are actors. Now your conclusion is some singer are actor. There is any relationship between singer and actor, you can just check with whether the diagram, Venn diagram is touched, actor diagram and singer diagram is touched with each other. No, it is wrong. Similarly, some actor or singer, is there any relationship between actor and singer? No, it is wrong. So according to this question, neither conclusion 1 nor 2 are true. So we'll move on to your next question. Here, some bulbs are glass. So your question is, some bulbs are glass and some glass are tube. Now, your conclusion is, all tubes are bulbs. Is there any relationship between tubes and bulbs? There is no relationship between tubes and bulbs. Hence, the first one is wrong. And no tube is a bulb. No tube is a bulb means you want to check whether if it is no condition is there means no keyword is occur in your conclusion means the statement is also having the same no word. Is there no relationship between? They are not mentioning about relationship between, no relationship between tube and bulb. Hence the second one is wrong. So according to this question, your answer is option E. Neither conclusion 1 nor 2 are true. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. All lemons are peach. Your answer is, your diagram is all lemons are. Sorry. All lemons are peach. Now, some peaches are raisins. Now your conclusion is, some rains are lemons. So is there any relationship between rains and lemons? No, there is no relationship between. This is wrong. Now second conclusion. All peaches are rains. Here is there any relationship between peaches and rains? Yes, it is a relationship between rains and peaches. What relationship? Some relationship only there. But in this conclusion, they are saying about all peaches are rains. It is wrong. So according to this question, neither conclusion 1 nor 2 are true. Hence, some peaches are rains. It is right. Yes, some portion which is occupied by rains and peaches. But in this conclusion, they are mentioning about all. Is there no relationship between all? Okay, now move on to your next question. Now your statement, all eagles are duck. All eagles are duck. Now second statement, some ducks are owls. Now your conclusion, we'll move on to your conclusion. Some eagles are owls. Is there any relationship between, first of all, is there any relationship between eagles and owl? No, there is no relationship between eagle and owl. So you don't need to check whether it is right or wrong. It is wrong. There is no relationship between eagle and owl. There is no relation, there is no any touches between eagle object and owl object. Okay, we'll move on to your next conclusion. Some owls are duck. Yes, is there any relationship between owls and duck? Means it's somewhat relation is there. Some relationship is there. So hence, some owls are duck in this portion which is occupied by duck also. So hence the second one is right. So according to this question, your answer is only conclusion 2 is true. We'll move on to your next question. Yes, your next statement is, all bikes are bus. Here, all bikes. This all bikes are bus. This is bike, this is bus. Now, all vans are bus. All vans are bus. This is the diagram. Don't get confused. Whatever they are saying, just you want to draw the diagram. That's all. It is indicated all vans are buses. Anyway, bus, inside the bus, the whole portion which is occupied by vans. Okay, this is the diagram. We'll move on to the check with the conclusions. What is your conclusion here? All bikes are vans. Hence, all bikes are vans. There is no relationship between bikes and vans. It is wrong. Now, some vans are bikes. Some vans are bikes. No, there is no relationship between vans and bikes. Hence, it is wrong. So, neither conclusion 1 or 2 are true. Both are false. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Now, all cars are fans. Your statement is all cars are fans. Now, all pens are fans. Here, this is your diagram. This all pens are fans. Now, this all cars are fans. We'll move on to your conclusions. All fans are pens. All fans are pens. It is right? No, some fans are pen is right. Some fans are cars are right. So here hence the first one is wrong. After that, no car or fan. Is there any relationship between car or fan? Yes, is the relationship between car and fan. Here they are saying there is no relationship between car and fan. Having the relationship, some relationship is between car and fan. So according to this is wrong. So both conclusions are not follows. Neither 1 nor 2 are true. We'll move on to your next question. Statements. No ship is banana. Your statement is no ship. There is somewhat no relationship between ship and banana. There is no relationship. After that, no banana is a mango. In this two objects having no relationship, and this two objects having no relationship. And your first conclusion, no ship is mango. Is there any relationship between mango and ship? We don't know about that. We can surely saying about is the relationship between ship, banana, mango. What about mango and ship? That we cannot able to determine the relationship. This, so according to this first one is wrong. Now, all mangoes are ships. All mangoes are ships. Is there mango will be here or here, wherever the mango will be here, we can able to say, but there is no relationship between ship and mango. Hence, the second one is also wrong. So, according to this statement, neither conclusion 1 nor 2 are true. We'll move on to your next statement. Yes, your statement is no button is click. Now, no open is click. Now, your conclusion, some click is button. Some click is button. There is no relationship between button and click. So, if it is no relationship between, we are not able to consider that is some and all. So, hence it is wrong. Now, all buttons are click. So, all buttons are click. Hence, it is wrong. So, there is no relationship between button and click. So, according to this question, neither conclusion 1 nor 2 are true. Yeah, this is the example of how we can able to solve the syllogism questions by means of drawing the Venn diagram. How we can compare the conclusions with the Venn diagrams. Thank you for watching.